Hi, my name is Priyanshu Jain, and you are watching Statistics My Passion. In this video, we will learn how to use coefficient of correlations, and firstly, we define Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlations. Let's define as a measure of intensity a degree of a linear relationship between two variables x and y, usually denoted by xy or xy, or simply rxy, as a numerical measure of a linear relationship between them, and is defined as rxy is equal to covariance xy and sigma x sigma y. So this is a formula of correlate coefficient, and this is known as Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, and where covariance of x and y is equal to e x minus e of x and y minus e of y, and we simply abbreviated sigma xi minus x bar yi minus y bar, and this is the standard deviations of x and y. So simply we write here variance of x is written by x minus ex whole square, which is written by 1 upon n sigma xi minus x bar to the whole square. And similarly, we can write sigma y square e y minus e of y 1 by n sigma yi minus y bar square. So this is a formula of sigma square and sigma x square and covariance of xy, and we simply put these values in this formula and can calculate our correlation coefficient. Now rxy is equal to covariance xy and sigma x sigma y. Now we put the values of covariance of xy minus x bar yi minus y bar upon, because of standard deviation, so we used 1 by 2, and now in place of sigma x we write 1 by n sigma xi minus x bar square and 1 by n sigma y by yi minus y bar square. Now this is the complete formula of the correlation coefficient. So how can use it? So here is an example to how to use this formula for our observations. So example 1, calculate the correlation coefficient, which is denoted by rxy, for the following heights in inches of fathers and their sons y. Now so I have written the values of x and y. So where x is a height of father, and the y is the heights of their sons. And now we calculate the correlation between two variables, the heights of fathers and their sons. So first of all, what is the formula of the correlation coefficient? We write, so rxy is equal to covariance of xy and sigma x and sigma y. So we know that what is the formula of the covariance of xy. So we write the formula of covariance xy 1 by n sigma x y minus x bar y bar. This is the formula of covariance of xy. And now we write sigma x formula. So sigma x is equal to 1 by n in root sigma xi square minus x bar square and also write the sigma y formula, and this is the 1 by n sigma yi square minus y bar square. So basically we find the sigma xy, x bar, y bar, sigma I square, sigma xi square, and sigma y square. These 5 terms we will find, and so let's start it. So which is so here is given by x and y values. So now I write these values: 65, 66, 67, 67, 68, and 69, 70, and 72. And now the values of y is 67, 68, 65, and 68, 72, 72, 69, and 71. So basically you find x square, y square, and xy. And the x bar and y bar we can find here: sigma xi upon n and sigma yi upon n. So the total is 544 and 592. Okay, now to find x square values, so you can use calculator to find it values. And now I am write these values: 435, 4356, 4499, 4489, 467, 4624, 47, 614900, 5184. Now the values of y square: 4489, 4624, 4225, and 4624, 5184, 5184, and 4761, and the 5041. This is the squares of y square. So y the value, and now we find xy. So simply multiply x to y, and 65 into 67, 4355, 4488, 4355, 4566, 4896, 4968, 4830, 5112. Now we can total it of these values and these values and these values. So the sum of these values is 37560. This is the total of the sigma x y, and the total of sigma yi square is 38132, and the total of sigma xi square is equal to 37028. So these are the values of sigma xi square, sigma y square, and sigma xy. The 3 values we found out, and now the values: x bar is equal to sigma xi, that means 544, which is right here, upon the total terms, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The n is equal to 8. Now the value of x bar is 68. Y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n. Sigma yi is equal to 592 by 8 is equal to 69. Now the last term is putting the values and the formula. So the formula is 1 by n sigma xi minus x bar y bar upon 1 by n sigma xi square minus x bar square, and 1 by n sigma yi square minus y bar square. Now the values of sigma xy. So sigma yxy is equal to 37560, and n is equal to 1 by 8 plus 37560 minus x bar. X bar is 68 and y bar is 69, and the values of 1 by n, it means 1 upon 8 sigma xi square. Sigma xi square is 37028. 37028. So minus x bar square. X bar, that means 68 square. And similarly 1 by n sigma y square is equal to 38132 3132 minus y bar square. Y bar is equal to 69, so 69 square. Now the values after the calculation of these terms, the answer is 0.603. The last answer of correlation coefficient is 0.603. Thank you so much for this video.